Hey guys, it's Jordan here again, and I'm back with another Take Knock Knock Home adventure. This week, we are making kinetic sculptures. What is a kinetic sculpture, you may ask? A kinetic sculpture is a type of mobile, which is a form of hanging art, where different objects are balanced so that when you move one part of it, all the others move. So it's all about how things move and balance in relation to each other. And I'm going to teach you how to make your very own. And you only need a few things for this. First one is something to hang your mobile off of. So I've got this doodad right here. The second thing is plenty of string and maybe possibly wire. These are things that you're going to use to hang the objects off of your mobile. The last thing you need are other kind of straight flat pieces to hang things off of. So I'm using a barbecue shish kebab skewer. I've got a plastic straw right here and then some disposable wooden chopsticks. And the last thing, just a whole bunch of items. So I've got all sorts of things like little animal toys. I've got bells. I've got an army dude. Look at that kinetic sculpture in action already. I've got all sorts of stuff, so you just need any object that you can hang off of it to make it balance. So I've already gotten started right here because sometimes it takes a little while to tie things and to get things into knots, so feel free to ask a parent for help if you need any help with that. But I've also got some other ones pre-tied and ready to go, so we'll just throw these on here. So the idea is you're going to balance these things on different parts of the mobile to make it a kinetic sculpture. So what that means is making sure that you have things in the right position so that they balance equally and that they don't throw off the entire sculpture. Now the cool thing about this is once you have all these things placed on it, you can slide them around to balance it even more. And I will show that right here. So check this out. Down at the bottom, there we go. Down at the bottom, I've got this piece right here, and it's all out of balance. But if you move around some of the pieces, you could get it to kind of balance and straighten out. So check that out. All you have to do is just move around where things are hanging, and you can get it balanced. So let's see if we can't put another piece on. I might tie this right here. And you can make this however big or small as you want. Just make sure that you're always doing this sort of stuff with adult supervision because you might be using objects that could be dangerous if you don't have an adult watching you. So always got to have a grown-up to supervise you when you're doing stuff like this. And I think I made it a little too long, but I'll just wrap it around. And look at that. Now we've got another piece added on there. And check out how it's bouncing all around, it's bobbling, it's moving. When you move one piece, it moves all the others. That is the beauty of a kinetic sculpture. So there you have it. We got our own kinetic sculpture. You can make it yourself at home, and then don't forget whenever you do that, take a picture of it and you can share it on Facebook and Instagram. Tag us at Knock Knock Children's Museum with the hashtag Knock Knock Summer of Love so you can show everyone your awesome kinetic art that you're making. Look at that. It's moving all around. Pretty neat, huh?